Hello, I'm Zach, and the topic I chose was the Big Five personality traits. Have you ever wondered what type of personality you have? What is a personality? A personality described by the book Principles of Management states a, a personality encompasses a person's relatively stable feelings, thoughts, and behavioral patterns. Each of us has a unique personality that differentiates us from others, and understanding someone's personality gives us clues about how that person is likely to act and feel in a variety of situations. We are now going to discuss the Big Five personality traits. How many personality traits exist? Just in the English language alone, more than 15,000 words describing personality have been identified. When researchers analyzed the traits describing personality characteristics, they realized that many different words might be used to describe a single personality. When these words were grouped, five traits emerged that explain the variations of our personalities. These five are not the only traits that exist, but they have been used as a solid base to build upon. Why are these five traits important? They help us improve relationships and help us understand others' behaviors and feelings. Let's break down the five traits. The first personality trait is openness. Openness is the degree to which a person is curious, original, intellectual, creative, and open to new ideas and experiences. People who have openness thrive in situations that require flexibility and learning new things. As employees, these individuals are highly motivated to learn new skills and do well in training. They also have an advantage to establishing relationships. Next is conscientiousness. This refers to the degree to which a person is organized, systematic, punctual, achievement oriented, and dependable. Conscientiousness is the personality trait that predicts how high a person's performance will be at a job. Those with this personality tend to be rational decision makers and reliable. This trait is most desired by recruiters, and they tend to succeed in interviews. Third is extravision. This is the degree to which a person is outgoing, talkative, sociable, and enjoys socializing. People with this trait tend to be really good at jobs that involve sales. They tend to be effective as managers and they demonstrate inspirational leadership behaviors. They do well in interviews and in social situations. Next is agreeableness. This is the degree to which a person is affable, tolerant, sensitive, trusting, kind, and warm. People with high agreeableness are people who tend to get along with others. I like to think I have this personality trait because I hate drama. When you are tolerant with others and you are trusting with them, you tend to get along much easier with everyone. Agreeable people in the workforce help people consistently. When these people are in leadership positions, they benefit the team greatly by creating a positive environment. Lastly is neuroticism. This refers to the degree to which a person is anxious, irritable, temperamental, and moody. Scoring high in this trait is the only one that is undesirable. People with this trait experience lots of problems at the workforce, such as difficulty with handling stress, they get angry when told to do a job. These people have problems forming and maintaining relationships. These are the people you try to avoid because they have a negative attitude about everything. I have personally worked with people with this trait, and they make Coming to work not very fun. Personality test. Employers use a personality test to try and predict if your behavior is a good fit for a specific role in that workforce. There have been reports of personality tests that violate employee rights by asking questions about sexual or religious matters. I think personality tests are a great source to figure out if someone will fit a job description when it is done right. Lastly, overall, everyone has a personality, and it is up to that person whether or not it is a good or bad one. If an individual has a mixture of the first four traits that we discussed, they will most likely be successful in whatever they do. People need to avoid people with the neuroticism personality and try to avoid becoming it as well. Because being negative gets you nowhere in life. A quote by the website eventgreetings.com stated, "Beauty gets the attention, personality gets the heart. Be the person you desire to see in others." Thank you. And this is my works cited.